Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Workforce. I'm going to show you how to reset this printer to factory default setting. Use right arrow button, go to the settings, select OK, supply status, scroll down all the way to restore default settings, then select OK. It will show you network settings. If you select network setting, it means you want to reset only the network. You want to reset the printer to default setting. It will wipe off all the information on the printer. You need to reconnect the printer to the network. So select clear all data and settings, then select OK. Restore all settings, including network, to default, yes or no. Then select OK to yes. Processing. Please wait. Settings restored. Then you go back to the home page. If you look on the Wi-Fi icon, the Wi-Fi is no longer in blue color, it's blank. If you connect the printer to Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi icon or image will be in blue color. We'll highlight blue, but you can see that the color is now blank. So the printer is no longer connected to Wi-Fi network. This is how to reset the printer to factory default setting. If you switch off this printer, if you turn it off and turn the printer on again, you need to connect the printer to Wi-Fi network to be able to use the printer. It will ask you to select the language. Then once you select the language, then you proceed to set the date and etc. This is how to reset this printer to a factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.